Hello, today I'm in Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In this video I'll show you how to manage performance pages content. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now go to Performance page. Go to Performance Content and now you can select by driver mode, Technical Guides, Consumption History, Efficient Drive and all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. Next, you can check technical gauges, consumption history and reset it, efficient drive and all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive mode manually. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.